আমার দেখেন ইয়া কাটি গেছে।
হ্যাঁ মুন্তাসির, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমরা তো বসছি অডিটোরিয়াম দোতলা। রেল স্টেশনের ওইখানে করো, যোগাযোগ করো রেল স্টেশন। ওই যে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, না না কি বলতে কিছু না, ওই রেজিস্ট্রেশন করা আর কিছু না, আর ওই যে কুপন এই আর কিছু নেই। হ্যাঁ
Because we expose, this is the right side of the lateral thrust,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
this is the left side of the lateral thrust, this is the mid wall, then how you expose the lateral thrust. So, for exposure of the lateral thrust,
দেরি হবে
you
একটু
need
বলতে
these two cartilage holding
কিছু
forces.
নাই এখানে।
So, how you hold these two cartilage holding forces? Just
এই জিনিসটা
like
কি
this.
দিল এটা?
Just look at it.
এটা কি দিল?
If you just you lift up this one and just like you find this neckline.
পরিচিত না
And
ডোম
you with
দুইটা
the sharp scissor, give me the my sharp scissor. You put all these instruments on that side, otherwise the instrument fall down. Yes. Okay. So now, yes. Like this is the interdermal ligament. Like you spread it and cut it. Spread it and cut it like this. Okay. Now again you lift up. You lift up it. When you lift up, then you enjoy it because you throughout you find the neck like structure. Otherwise, this is the one of the most difficult state, like we discussed in the pediatric rhinoplasty, especially in a crooked nose or in a pediatric rhino or revision casing. So now you change the position. How you earlier we hold like this, now we hold like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah. So again we find this neck. Okay, and just pull on the anterior inferior, just like on this angle of the mouth like this. Yes. Yes. So in your mind you should know then what you want to identify. I want to identify my anterior septal angle area. Now you find the glimpse of this one. Look there. Okay. Then again I use this feature for developing my hypopericordium like this. Just like this. Okay? Like this. Yes. Now, just as a pen holding position, just we find the plane. Look there. Easily, you can find the plane. You can find the plane. Yes? You can. This is on the left side. Now, on the right side. By the scissor, you can lift up the plane. Now, like this, like this, like this. Yes. Now, how you proceed for further? So, for further, because now we need the more exposure. I have one instrument. That. This is a very good instrument. This is the Stowe Stereoscope elevator by the Stowe company. So one side we have the blunt and one side we have the sharp end. So then
অ্যাকশন দিয়ে তো কার্টিলের ভর্তা বানাবে।
These are self-retraining lateral crural retractor by the Nadim circle. This is also very good. So you just perform like this. So now everything in front of you. Everything in front of you. No need to unnecessary struggle. Yes. Now I use this sharp end. Just I deploying this mucopericordium on under surface of the upper lateral on the right side. Yes. You need the more. You need to more so we have the better experience. Yes. Okay. Now we expose. Look at the under surface of the upper lateral on the right side.
Someone is obstructing the view.
Periosteal elevator, this one. You can appreciate this one. Okay, and again on this side.
এবার সেপার কাটছে
Before to separate the mucopericordium, if you separate the upper lateral septum, now give me the 11 number plate. 11 number plate. Now we separate. Yes. Now look that we separate this like this, like this. Yes. So I separate right side upper lateral with my septum. Now on this side. Yes. Now we have the good exposure. Yes. So now again the question, the plane of the dissector is I am right or not in my plane. So for getting the right plane, how will you check? Look at 15 number plate, give me the 15 number plate. Because this is the one of the common mistake done by everyone. So just this is the back end of the knife. So by the back end of the knife, you just make it straight like this. This is the back end of the knife. This is the back end of the knife. So then, by the back end of the knife, then you check.
পেরিকন্ডিয়াম তুলতেছে
Just this is the right thing.
পেরিকন্ডিয়াম
Yes. You can use this is the right thing.
এই আমার বন্ধু
This is the right thing. This is the right thing. Okay? Now just we check on this side also. 15 number plate. Give me the 15 number plate. 15 number plate. So again you just tap it like this.
ক্যামেরা ছবি ফোকাস হচ্ছে না
Like this. 15 then give me the
কারা
scissor.
রাস্তায়
অপারেশন সাইডে ফোকাস হচ্ছে না কিন্তু
And the scissor. Look there. Look there. Then just give the counter so everyone can know the surgery. Now you have the right thing. This is the right thing. Now again the question that what is sequence of your lifting your mucopericordium. So the lift up of your mucopericordium first just go anterior inferior, posterior inferior. Okay. So now like this. So simple because now you are in the right plane. But again, if you have a crooked nose and one side of the septum is concave and one side is a convex.
বন্ধু
So
জুবাইর
first you expose on the convex. Because on that side you have the left side of the ear. Okay? You can use the Cilian's nasal speculum also. So just like I just go posterior inferior almost go down and then I just move the posterior superior now and in the last on the anterior. Look there. Because you are in the right plane now. Otherwise there is lot of bleeding. Now on this side, now on this side, now you can use the blunt end. Just first go
পেরিকন্ডিয়াম হয়ে গেছে
Yes. Yes. Now, clearly, okay? Release the bowler. There is no bleeding. No bleeding. If you are in the right plane, there is no
ভিডিওর
bleeding.
কোয়ালিটি বাড়াইতে হবে
Yes. So now our second golden stage that is complete. We complete expose and then we just revise little bit the anatomy for just my junior colleagues. So this is the LR cartilage right side, this is the left side, okay? This is the upper lateral and upper one we have this nasal bone. So this LR cartilage has the three parts. This lateral most part that is the lateral crust, this medial most part this is the medial crust and the part connect these two parts this is the intermediate crust and some books mention the middle crust. Okay. Now this medial crust part has the two parts. This is the foot plate of this medial crust that always below the incision. This is the foot plate and this is the columellar part. Okay. And then this part, this is the intermediate crust. So intermediate crust have this angular part, that is the dome part, and this is the lobular part, because this part has the two parts. One is the domal part and this is the columellar part. Like at the time of the anatomy we discussed, and the apex of this vestibular we have the nodes on this dome area. That's why we have the soft triangle area, because in this area we don't have the cartilaginous support. That's why we have the soft triangle area. Okay. Now this is the lateral crust. Okay. This is the lobular part. Where this intermediate crust is bifurcate like, okay, then you start the columellar part of the medial crust. Okay. Now look at this is the lateral crust. This lateral crust has the two end and two border. This is the medial end. This is the lateral end. Okay. This is the lateral end. You can see this is the lateral end and two borders. This is the superior cephalic margin and this is the caudal margin. Now this caudal margin is important. Why? Because this caudal margin we use for the local infiltration, we use for the marginal incision. Got it? Now the cephalic margin is also important, because this cephalic margin, give me the marker. This cephalic margin, superior part of the cephalic margin and lower part of the upper lateral have an overlap. Look at it. This is the overlapping. And if I left it, we hidden this area. This overlapping is the scroll area. This is the scroll area. And this scroll area is one of the major tip support mechanisms, because the tip has the three major tip support mechanisms. One is the size, shape and resilience of this entire alar cartilage. And second is the scroll area, and third is the attachment of caudal septum with the medial face. Okay, so this is the important area, the 1.5 centimeter this area. That is the important area. That is the scroll area. Okay. Now we take anatomy of this is the upper lateral cartilage. This is the medial margin of the upper lateral cartilage. Okay, and this is the lateral. We have this dorsal part of the septum. This is the caudal part of the septum. The angle between the dorsal and caudal, this is the anterior septal angle area. Okay, anterior septal angle area. So now we expose this septum on anteriorly also, and this, look that this is the anterior. This is the internal nasal wall. This is the internal nasal wall area. The junction between the this and this. Okay. Around the 15 degrees. We always maintain the integrity of this. Okay? So these are the some important regard and anatomy regarding this one. Internal nasal wall. Because we have the two walls. One is the internal nasal, one is the external nasal wall. Okay? Now we don't have the axis this cartilage, so just next septum modification. Next golden stage, the septum modification. For septum modification, we want to like preserve 1 centimeter dorsal and 1 centimeter anterior. Okay. Give me the nasal speculum and give me the marker. Marker. I usually don't mark, but just for the demonstration, I mark like this. And then I
1
just
cm.
rotate like this.
L
Okay?
start.
Yes. Give me the 15 number there.
এল স্টার্ট ওইটা মার্কিং সামনে 1 সেন্টিমিটার রাখতে হবে না
So look at just
এবার তো ক্যামেরাম্যান ফেল মারবে না ওই দিক থেকে দেখো
like this and again.
এই ক্যামেরাম্যান
Acute.
আমি স্যার
Yeah.
স্যার ক্যামেরাটা আপনার সাইড থেকে দিলে ভালো হয় স্যার, আমার ইনসেশন স্যার দেখতে পাচ্ছি স্যার।
Camera person.
Camera
just
তো
change the
দুটো
position.
স্যার হেডিং স্যারের হেডিং থেকে দিলে ভালো হয় স্যার।
Because
তাই কাটা
when you have a don't talk, we talk, then it creates the problem. So you just check the position of the camera.
Yes.
আমাদের বন্ধু
স্যার পাশেই আছে।
Yeah.
Endoscope.
You keep the patient here now.
না ওরকম থাকলে এটা করতে পারবো।
I think you can see now. And you can put the telescope and one of you hold the telescope. You can telescope allow in the corridor. One of person that is hold.
স্লাটটা বেশি করে রাখে 1 cm রাখতে হবে এরকম না।
স্যার এখন আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি স্যার
দেখতে পাচ্ছি পার্শিয়াল। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
अरे अरे So I met a incident or superiorly, anteriorly,
ঘুরে একটা এখন
now
চতুর্ভুজের মতো করে বের করবো। আমরা তো পিস পিস করে বের করি না। ও ইনটেক
Now I want to deattach this septum from the posterior side. From the posterior side, just I go behind, I feel first body septum, then come I anteriorly, and wherever I have the junction, then I fracture like this, like this, like this. Some section, give me the section, please. This is the only problem because when you separate the septum, the things are not visible.
জুবে এই জুবে এটা কি এলিভেটর না
ফিয়ার্সের মতোই তো অনেকটা দেখতে।
এগুলো অনেক ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট বুঝছেন, এগুলোর নাম এই যে হাত দেখছেন, এটা হচ্ছে কার্টিলেজ হোল্ডিং ফোর্স। মাথা দেখেন
Yeah, I fracture from the body part, but still we have the attachment, so it's the important message. You never pull it. First you complete separate. I have one long bladed nasal speculum. He gives a long bladed nasal speculum. That one. This is the long bladed nasal speculum because everyone usually we have the clear nasal speculum. There is a long bladed. Yes, so you hold that and also.
এর ভালো এন্ডোস্কোপ ধরলেও তো আমরা দেখতে পাই। সিম্পলাস্টির জন্য আসলে এন্ডোস্কোপ ছাড়া বোঝা এই যে তো ফ্রি আসছি ঢুকছে।
চেষ্টা করছে হাসপাতাল দুটা করছে যে বুঝে
এইবার বলবেন এই ফোকাস করে নেন রে ভাই, এন্ডোস্কোপ ক্যামেরা ফোকাস নাই।
So look that we have this part of the set. Okay,
খালি
this is the superior part, this is the interior part, and this is my PP thread.
So the quadrilateral cartilage is almost straight. There is no deviation here.
Yes, but still we have the deviated part inside. Okay, we have in this patient the pathology in the anterior stiff caudal part because the caudal part of the septum is deviated on the one side, left side. This is the mid part of the septum. You put it in the saline. You put it in the saline. Give me the section. Give me the section. Give me the section. Perioskeum. Perioskeum. I have one more section.
Nice.
Perioskeum. I have the section and perioskeum both. Yes, you put this one. So when you have the section and the perioskeum both.
देखिए वो उठना नहीं है।
After the harvesting of this, Again, you try as much as bigger, you try as much as bigger.
এই এন্ডোস্কোপ দিয়ে রাখালে এন্ডোস্কোপ হয়ে যায়
সুন্দর।
Part. Blade. Just white double tone reflector. Give me the white double tone reflector. Please give me the white double tone reflector. And raise my electrical reflector, put the electrical reflector here like this. So everyone will see the things. Look at yes. And one like this. Yes. Give my sharp scissor. Yes. And one of you hold like this. Yes.
মাঝখান থেকে নিয়ে আসে
Give me the sharp scissor. Give me the sharp scissor. Yes. So now we have the attachment distance. This is the mid part. But look at this part is related on this side. Okay. So this is the fiber of the depressor sessile align muscle. These are the fiber. So we separate these fiber. Yes.
কডাল ডিসলোকেশন ছিল নাকি?
We have this caudal part of the septum deviation. So we just separate this. Yes. Give my calculation. Yes. So because section, we want to identify that basically what pathology has in this patient.
এই কোর্সটা প্লেস চুলাটা দেখতে পারলাম না।
Portion, give me the portion and take my mind is good, but right or not. So look there. Look there, the dear friends, the pathology section, give me the
এল
section.
স্টার্ট সব বের করে
Look the section.
নিচের টুকতে নিয়ে আসে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ নাদের কডাল ডিসলোকেশন
This is
ছিল,
another part.
কেটে দেবেন, কেটে দিয়ে আবার ন্যাজাল স্পাইনের উপর বসাই।
Clean it. You give your picture. That picture is more good now. उसकी picture दो. उसकी picture दो. Yes. So this is the deviated part. This is the deviated part. So the important thing after harvesting the septal cartilage, you try to harvest as much as bigger piece. If you harvest with the lux forceps, then it's not useful because we want to reconstruct it again. So as much as time as big piece. You hold it. Yes. And this is the look there. Now you appreciate. This is the dorsal part of the septum. This is the caudal part of the septum. This is the anterior septal angle. This is the posterior septal angle. Angle between caudal part of the septum and this is the posterior part of the. So this is the posterior septal angle and we have this mid septal angle. Ideally clinical point of view we have the most significant at the anterior septal angle. Okay. So because the posterior septal angle is deviated towards the midline, that's why the patient have a deviation in the caudal part. 15 number blade. 15 number blade. Hold, hold this septum. Hold this septum. And this is the crest of the knee. Okay. So now everyone you can see the how the septum is move. Yes. So we cut this extra part. Yes. Now we just reposition
Short
and
হয়ে গেল
check
কি
it.
আবার?
Give me the section.
Short হয়ে গেল তো
Give me the
বিপদ।
section. Give me the lateral speculum. Yes.
না
We say if there is any spur or septum deviation is present or not.
এখানেই রাখতে পারো পরশু
One side is together properly your septum. Now I check the
আচ্ছা
level
আমাদের রেসিডেন্টদেরকে স্যার ওরকম করতে দেয় না বুঝছো স্যারা নিজের একটা কেয়ার করে তখন তুমি হচ্ছে ফুলফ্রান বয়স করতে পারো
check both sides. Because left side is very difficult to negotiate. Earlier we
लेकिन सब लगे ना
we have the good. There's on this side also.
That's why you
On both sides we have the good.
এটা একটা ব্যাপার।
Sir, can we see the endoscopic view, sir?
Yes, definitely. I show you the endoscopic picture. Where is the cell bone? Here is the cell bone. Here is the reception. So now
You can have it.
this is the picture. Yeah. Now you can go.
রিকমেন্ডেশন হলো অভিযুক্তি হবে আমাদের
Septum is pure. That is pure completely on this side. And on this side.
ফ্লোরে দেখালো না কেন
Now we have the blue space. We have the septum display. So in the crooked nose, one side you have an atrophic septum because you use the skull, okay? So this is the endoscopic picture. Now we put pigment on both sides. Petticoat and petticoat. Cotton body. If anyone has any questions and any query in your mind, then we are open. You can ask anytime. Yes, give me the pen. Cotton petty. Just put it small. No, just like cotton petty. Then give me the petty concept. Give me the petty concept. Yeah, this one. So we just pack these. After complete the cystoplasty, we pack on the both sides. Yes, one on this side. So it helps if you have a bleeding in prosthesis and then stabilization of the septum. Yeah. Yes.
পড়াশোনা কি করতে করছিস টেস্ট একটা টাইম
First take it just mid part. This is the mid part. This is just mid part. सही दिखना चाहिए. Yes, mid part. यहाँ. Yes. Yes. Now is good. Clean the patient. Clean the breast of the patient. No bleeding. Okay. Now lateral crural retractor.
বুঝতে পারছি
White double strong retractor. Yes. So just one of and one of you open the 4 OPDS suture. Yes. Yes. And like both these instruments like this. Yes. So you hold this one here. Yes. And give me back both feet. Yes. So what I am doing, I just always septal cartilage, septoblast is complete. I create my L-strut, I remove the excess part of the inferior part of the septum, and I create, rather than the L-strut, I create the U-strut. Because traditionally all book mention the L-strut, but the problem in the L-strut, you don't have the foundation on inferior part of the septum. and your septum is destabilized. So if you have septum on the inferior part, so I create a basically U stress. Now, because anterior caudal part of the septum is completely free, so we refix it, reposition it with the anterior nasal spine in the midline. So 4 OPDS suture. So first we identify where exactly this is my anterior nasal spine. This is my anterior nasal spine. I show you. Yes. Section number 1 of you. Do the section please. Do the section. This is my anterior nasal spine. This is the anterior nasal spine. This one. This is the anterior nasal spine. Earlier my section was like this. Now we fix in the section in the mid. So I use this 4 OPDS suture. Black वाला होगा एक दूसरा. Black वाला. Give me the black. Yes. So how you fix it like this? Just this is the 4. This is the 4 OPDS. Then first you identify your septum and then you hold. Just we pass like this. Now we have the good support. Now again, go just behind. You can use the lateral mass bar like so many people they use the lateral mass bar just for the fixation of this one. But I think because in orientation this anterior nasal spine is very small. If you have sufficient patient, then anterior nasal spine is long. So fixation just to make force, that is the easy. So I recommend this easy method because unnecessary struggle. This is the easy method. Again, just come back. With the periosteum of anterior nasal spine, it appears in a live that with the soft tissue, but we just feel the periosteum of the anterior nasal spine and we fix with the periosteum of the anterior nasal spine. But again, the important thing. First, you also check the anterior nasal spine is there midline or not. Sometimes the anterior nasal spine itself is midline. So how you check that? Because this is the filtrum. So that should be aligned straight. If your anterior nasal spine is displaced, then there is a two method. First, either you fracture it and it shifted in the midline, or either if right side is shifted your anterior nasal spine, then you fix on the left side. These are the small things in the rhinoplasty they make the affect the result.
How did you separate periosteum from
Can you repeat your question here?
$1500
What is the question there?
you are telling that you have fixed this cartilage with the peritoneum of the spine.
Perichondrium, because spine is born with the periosteum.
Okay, how did you separate this periosteum?
Not separate, we just enter in there. Not separate.
Can you say firmly adherent to the
No, but that's why I am saying because in the live when you see then that's how we fix. But when you do then on the periosteum we have the soft tissue. So along we enter on under surface of the periosteum along with the soft tissue we fix it. So now this is the fix. Okay. Now we fix. these small portal patty.
না স্যারের কথা লজিক্যালি, কিন্তু নেজাল স্পাইন থেকে আপনি যদি পেরিস্টাম না সরান তাহলে আপনি বোনস থেকে পেরিস্টাম আলাদা না করে কেমনে বাইট তুলবেন, তাই না?
This small, we just put the inside.
উনি তো বলছে পেরিস্টাম সহ নিচ্ছে। আপনি যদি এই পেরিস্টাম না সরান তাহলে পেরিস্টাম কেমনে নেই, সব টিস্যুর মধ্যে হয়ে গেল না।
So now we complete the section.
উনি স্টিচ দিল
Then
নিচে তার বুঝছে গেল
we
কীভাবে
move for
উনি বলছে যে পেরিস্টাম সহ নিচ্ছে।
basically
মানে
the bony
ফ্লোরের যে
board
পেরিস্টিয়াম
modification. Bony board modification.
আচ্ছা ওটা সমস্যা না, ওটা আমরা ফেস দিয়ে দরকার হবে।
So bony board modification, we have the different type of the technique, like but mostly usually we
এটা
use
কি করতে চায় আসলে?
usually we use
Receptoplasty
the osteotomy, by which we can mobilize this bony filament.
তো ভালোই, টিপ তো সমস্যা মনে হচ্ছে না।
Look that in this patient the nose is deviated like this, so we want to
এই জন্য
mobilize.
শুরু থেকে না দেখলে আমরা তো শুরুতে মিস করছি ওর কী ডিফর্মিটি কী।
Okay, so this is the concave side, this is the convex side, because the depression when you have on that side you have the concave side.
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ক্রুপ
we
নোজ,
need the median
এই যে
and the
এরকম
lateral osteotomy.
বুঝছেন?
Okay, so regarding the
C-shape.
median osteotomy, regarding the median osteotomy, this one.
বিভিন্ন নিয়ম আছে বুঝছেন, যে দেখুন যখন এই যে কনকেভ সাইডে আগে অস্ট্রেটম করতে হবে, আগে এই পাশে করবে তারপরে আপনার কনভেক্স সাইডে করবে, এটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জিনিস।
Now just section into the section, and you put the reflector so everyone sees.
কোলুমেলার ব্লিডিং,
Yeah. So I put this small photo setting just put the sun there. Yeah. So for paramedian osteotomy, first we usually use for every osteotomy the 2 or 3 things important. Number one, the indication. Why we use the paramedian osteotomy for stretching of the dorsal? Number one. Number two important thing, which osteotomy use? For paramedian osteotomy, we use usually this 3 mm osteotomy. And number four, what is pattern of your osteotomy? Either in the superior oblique manner or in the spread manner. And so usually either you can use like directly just for separate, but I usually use another method, transvestibular paramedian osteotomy. Like in transvestibular paramedian osteotomy, we enter through inside along the this septum, and then I bypass my keystone area, and then after chapter I bypass my keystone area because sometimes the keystone area is damaged. So in this way you can preserve your keystone area. Yes.
Paramedian.
Chapter.
Tap 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 tap.
Yes. Chapter. Yes. Chapter. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When we see this microscope, where the side you
I show you. No problem. I show you. This is the only disadvantage in the osteotomy.
এইটা
We
কি
cannot see
মানে
Osteotomy.
performing. We just
এইদিকে এটা সরাই দিতেছে নাকি?
না না, বোনস কাটবে না, বোনসের ডিভিয়েশন কেমনে আপনি ইয়ে করবেন? দোসা অস্ট্রিটম মানে ন্যাজাল বোনে, যে ন্যাজাল বোনের আপনার এই ল্যাটারাল ইয়ে করছে এই এই জায়গাতে, এই যে এই জায়গা শুধু ফ্র্যাকচার করতেছে, কিন্তু এটা এখনই দেখাইতো, নাহলে তো পরে ব্লিডিং হচ্ছে। তো দেখা যায় এন্ডোস্কোপ ধরে ভাই।
So through look at this is my osteotomy. This is my osteotomy. So throughout you can feel where you are working. The upper limit, that is the intercostal line. And on either side, this side also, just you go inside. You can do in a normal, when you want to narrowing of your dorsum, then you can put it directly between the nasal bone and the septum. But in crooked nose, sometimes the septum is ossified and you have more chance of the K area damage. So this is a good method, clean through. You just go transvestibular, like just go, just chapter, slowly, chapter, yes. So look, this is my
mucosa সহ
dental line and this is my
mucosa উপর দিয়ে
okay. This one.
না না ব্লিডিং হবে তো অনেক
Yes. Direction, you have the two options. Either this, you can go like this, one, and either another, you just go like superior oblique manner.
So actually you are breaking the nasal bone.
Yes, I just breaking the attachment of the nasal bone with the bony septum. Okay? Now, yes, from the bony septum. And we engage this osteotome in 2 millimeter, 1 or 2 millimeter lateral to midline. That's why we call the paramedian osteotomy, because there are so many beginner friends, they confuse that what is the paramedian, what is the median osteotomy. There is no median osteotomy exactly. We just, because this is my septum and this is the mid part, but we engage it on either side.
না না
In paramedian
ভেস্টিবলের
position. So
মধ্যে
you can go just like
মিউকোসা
that,
মিডিয়ালি আছে
or you can go just like superior oblique around the 20 degree fade away position from the
Median.
midline. Okay? So we separate the attachment. Now
ফুটা করেই তো
for the lateral
ওটা তো
osteotomy,
দেখালো ইন্ডাস্ট্রি
again for the lateral osteotomy, the two things are important. One is the approach
মানে
and
flat-
another is the
flat
pattern.
আর set
I
দিকে
usually
পড়ে
use
গেছে।
internal continuous lateral osteotomy. So when you use the
এই জন্য
internal
bleeding
continuous
হচ্ছে।
lateral osteotomy, then the important thing again, indication, you know which osteotomy use. I use usually the right or left at this angled, guarded Medicon instrument. This is good instrument for, this is the left side and one is the another side. This one, because this patient has a little bit bump, so before to lateral osteotomy, we just grasp the bump. Grasp.
মিড লাইন থেকে 2 মিলিমিটার ল্যাটারালি প্যারামিডিয়ান রাস্প
Just we grasp little bit this.
বসা
Ideally, when you do the
এই জিনিসটাই করছে
before to the osteotomy.
Sir, what is the purpose of grasping, sir?
Yeah.
Reduce
Because we have
এটা তো হাড্ডির উপর দিয়ে উঠে যাচ্ছে তো।
just right side of the area.
reduce the elevation.
Yes, yes. For smoothing, for good contour of the dorsum.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
What's the name of this instrument?
ইয়া
This is the rest. This is the rest.
রাপ
And
রাপ
one is the 3 number, and one is the 4 number, one is the 5 and one is the 4. So the beauty of this instrument,
fourth
when you
circle,
have
up na.
a key, so you can remove this and when the both are blunt, then you can change this one. So there is no need to the entire instrument replacement. Now give me the 15 number plate. So again, the important thing is the landmark for the lateral osteotomy. First is the where you engage your osteotome. This is the important thing. So where you engage your osteotome, you identify your inferior turbinate section. Give me the section. This is my inferior turbinate. This is my inferior turbinate. So just this is my anterior end of the infinite 15 number blade. 15 number, yeah, section go, you have to use section so everyone can, yes. So So this is my info terminate, and just lateral to this I make the 3 millimeter horizontal incision on this side, and just you show on this side also. Yes, section.
ইনফিরিয়র টার্মিনেটে
Yeah.
3 মিলিমিটার
Just we make a
কোন
incision
জায়গায়
on the
আলাদা লোয়ার
lower end of the piriform aperture. Okay, piriform aperture is the body opening of the nose.
অস্ট্রেলিয়ান
Now,
ঢোকানোর জন্য
this is the left side of the. So when we engage this one, give me the nasal speculum. Give me the nasal speculum. So we engage in that incision section. Yes. Look that like this. Okay. We engage it like this. Then you ask your assistant
Shanti
use
bole.
that.
দুপুরের খাবার
External camera picture.
না না
So
রুগী
now
ডাইরেক্ট খোঁজ
you
নেন
ask
তো
your
কি
assistant,
অবস্থা
tap,
রুগী
tap, tap, tap. Okay.
ক্লাস এখন
Tap,
চলে
tap,
গেছে
tap, tap,
বললাম যে
tap,
রাউন্ডে
tap,
যাবো
so.
না
And now you gradually come down.
দেখেন
Okay? Gradually go down. Yes. Gradually go down. Tap, tap,
বললাম
tap,
যে
tap,
রুগী খারাপ থাক ভালো
tap,
থাকবে
tap,
এমনিতে।
tap, tap. And throughout, by your index finger and thumb, you realize where you are working. So I'm almost, look at you see that I'm almost on the mid part. Okay? Then tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Now, look, the things are very important because there are so many millimeters and devices.
Frontal process of maxilla.
What is the system of this
Nasal
pattern of
process
this
of maxilla.
So, initially, when osteotomy discovered by Roger, then they engaged the osteotome on the lowermost part of the piriform aperture. Okay, and then from the lowermost part, yes. So he engaged on this lowermost part of the piriform aperture, and then same, low, and then on the same. So once we engage the lowermost part of the piriform aperture, then it creates the problem. Let us later realize that because in this lowermost part of the piriform aperture, we have the attachment of the lateral end of the upper lateral. So if you damage that part, then upper lateral is medialized. And on the same side, you have also attachment of the inferior. So the both things are medialized, which creates the problem.
এদিকে যাবে
And another problem, when you enter in this thick part of the nasal cone, then this some part is free, and that part has a forward or backward movement like this. That will go down the
বুকে তো কোনো ছবি
So
টবি
whether
কিছু
it
দেয়নি
suggested that
আমি তো
if you
এরোপ্লেন মোডে আছি
engage it
ফোন দিচ্ছে না আমার কাটে
rather
যাচ্ছে
than it's the lowermost part, if you engage it high, and you can preserve this part. You can preserve this part because we engage now like this and gradually come like. So we can preserve this trapezius triangle part. Then you can prevent the unnecessary bleeding problem. Then another important thing. Then he also suggests once you reach at the level of the medial cancer, then you change your direction superior oblique like this. So you don't enter in the thick part of the nasal bone and you can prevent the broken deformation. So my standard pattern of the osteotomy, that is the high, low, high. Because earlier we engage like this and go gradually down, and then once we reach at the level of the medial cancer, just to go the superiorly. So the standard pattern is the high, low, high. Never confuse. We only use the two words, high and low. High towards the dorsum, low towards the maxilla. Because it's very confusing. What is the high, what is the low? So again, it depends on which type of the default you use. Sometimes when you want it
শুধু কি
too
সাহিত্য
overwhelmed,
বলছিল না আর কথা বলছিল
then you use the low.
নিষাদ ছিল
Then ask, doctor,
একদম সুন্দর
doctor,
নিষাদ
doctor, more, and throughout to be because when you do your
সবথেকে ভালো বোঝা যাবে উপরের স্কিন গিলা তুইলে দিয়ে হাড্ডি সামনে এবার মার কোন জায়গায় কি অস্টিওটোম না কাইডাবার আছে তো দেখো
Now, earlier I hold like this. Now I hold like this. Okay? Yes, tap, 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 tap. So look that. Can you see?
by this osteotomy you are separating the nasal bone from the ascending process of maxilla.
No. This is the I separate my ascending process of maxilla from the rest of the maxilla. I break my ascending process of the maxilla. This question is clear all
মিডিয়াম
during
একবার
the
একদম হয়ে গেল
because during the lateral osteotomy we never break the nasal bone. We break the ascending process of the maxilla. Okay, we fracture the base of bony pyramid for getting the desired width. Because lot of things they think that we break the nasal bone. Because nasal bone is we have give the marker. Look at look there. Okay, so this is the nasal bone. And this is the ascending process of the maxilla. We fracture this part. When you do the intermediate osteotomy, then this is the line. If you fracture this part, this is the nasal bone. So this is very important.
কি অবস্থা
Everyone
আপনার?
should clear from your mind.
গেলেন তো গেলেন আর কোনো খোঁজ খবর না আপনাদের
So we just reach at the level of the medial canthus, then once you reach at the level of the medial canthus, then you just rotate superior of
হ্যাঁ
it.
সাহেব
ভাই আপনাদের সিনিয়র দুজনকে
ফোন দিল আমাদের রুগী কি দেখছিল
আমাদের সাথে
যেগুলো পড়াশোনা করছে
On the left, you rotate
Oh.
in the anti-clockwise.
আমাদেরও আগে
Yes.
নিয়মিত না
Hold the hand.
পোস্ট অফিস ছিল রুগী ও মানে
না,
ওয়ার্ডে
না,
পাঠানো
তাইলে আমাদের জিনিসটা আসতে নিষেধ করে
মানে ভালো আছে তো?
ইনাদেরই দেখেন কি সমস্যা হয় কিনা আমাদের তো এখন আসছে নাই
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
Just mobilize this.
একটা টনসিল দেখা হচ্ছে
Like mobilize this. Now on the right side.
তারপরে থাকবো না একদম থাকতে হবে সাথে কিছু করে নাই
So another important thing is guarding hand that should outside and cutting hand that should inside. Okay, and if you my bigger frame you purchase, then you purchase right and left side both. That you have a more handy.
So can we stop the bleeding?
This is the usual bleeding in the osteotomy.
I think anesthetic.
What is
মোহনসের ব্লিডিং কেমনে বন্ধ করবে
I think I need the
অস্টিওটমি করার পরে এখন
usually in the rhinoplasty my patient BP is the 80 systolic, that is good.
Do you use isolated diaphragm to stop bleeding?
Nothing, no need. Yes.
Nobody-
Also we use the cold saline.
হাত দেন
আমার সামনে ধরি তাহলে
এইভাবে ধরবেন এই যে আমি যেটা ধরছি না এরকম রাখেন
Then
উইকেন ক্লাস
only lotion of the
বাটন হ্যাঁ
Tuck. Yes, tuck.
আচ্ছা এটা যদি খুব নোস হয় এখন কি দুই পাশে বা এই
প্রথমে কনকেভ সাইডে ছিল এখন কনভেক্স সাইডে
কনভেক্স সাইডে পরে দুইটা একটা সোজা হবে
হ্যাঁ এরপরে ভাঙা বোনস আপনি যেমনি শেপ দিলেন তেমনি
এরপর কি প্যাক দিয়ে দুটো সোজা রেখে দিবে
ফ্র্যাকচার করে ফেললেন না ফ্র্যাকচার ব্যথা তখন রিঅ্যালাইনমেন্ট যেমনি
আমার কে জানে ও শাহিদ বললো গেছিল তখন নাকি পোস্ট অফিস ছিল রুগী পোস্ট অফিস নাকি ভালোই ছিল তাই তো বললো আমাকে
না আর ওয়ার্ডে জানে
ওয়ার্ডে নাকি দেয় নাই তখন তাই তো বললো
না ওয়ার্ডের রুগীগুলো দেখেন
ওয়ার্ডের রুগী তো দেয় নাই তাই তো বললো পোস্ট অফিস
মানে ওয়ার্ডের রুগী দেয় না
এই ফোনটা ধরো রিসাদ ফোন দিতেছে পকেটে ডান পকেটে গেল আমার ভিডিও গেল
Can you show us the point of external
কেতে রিসাদ না হ্যাঁ রিসাদ 77 Yes, ভিডিও আমার
গ্রামীণ না
এয়ারটেল গ্রামীণে টাকা নেই না আছে অল্প টাকা আছে
Yes, on the clockwise, I just mobilize on the clockwise on the right side.
কি হবে
গুঁড়া করে ফেলবে না
একদম ভেঙে আলাদা আলাদা পানি দিয়ে সোজা দিতে হবে।
আচ্ছা আমরা যে 12 নম্বরে করি ওটা তো শুধু এলিভেট করে দিই নেজাল কোন ফ্র্যাকচার আছে তাহলে উঠাই দিই পুরো দিকে
So laterally,
আমরা যে 12 নম্বরে নেজাল কোন ভাঙার উপরে দিকে উঠাই দিই ওটা তো জাস্ট খালি উপরে দিকে উঠাই দিই আর তো কিছু করি না। Yes.
so now we have the
আমি তো একটা ফলো আপ করতে চাইছি একটা রোগীর মোবাইল নম্বর রাখছি যে কি
on
অবস্থা
the right side closer, on the left side anti-clockwise.
এখন তো সোজা হয়ে গেছে রে
Now the note,
Wow.
now the note that we have
যেমনি শেপ করবে সামনে হবে।
আমার নাকটাও তো এরকম সোজা করে দেওয়া দরকার
like this, like this, like this, like this. Yes, and ask your assistant hold the head of the patient, okay, and give me the external osteotome. So someone asked like, so yes, so look that we have this is junction of the nose with the cheek. Look that this is the junction of the nose with the cheek. So you can make a step incision here and then you just enter that osteotome like this and ideally the distance between the two perforation that is a 2 millimeter, so you can have a good clean skin texture. Okay, by the external perforation. So that is the same just like a postage stamp. So you can do, but I usually do this one. I'm more comfortable with this one, but sometimes you can do both. Okay, and giving a cold saline pen. It is your choice. It's your choice, and how you are more confident, how your professor is doing. If your professor is doing the external and if you do the internal, that's not good. So that is the more important thing. Yeah? Yeah? Yes, we preserve the register cycle on both sides. Chance of the more injury you have in this lateral osteotome because throughout the path will be damaged the periosteum. But in my last 1.5 decades I
আমি তো
have
বলে আসলাম
problem with the patient. So this is the limitation.
কতবার বলবো আর
So there is no problem. So now we complete for 4 golden steel. First infiltration, second exposure, third septum modification, fourth that is the body word modification. Now we come to the mid wall and then we move to the tip. What we have the cartilage you give me?
লিঙ্কনের এরিয়াটা তুলে রাখেন লিঙ্কনের
Yes. 2 mm. If you need the intermediate osteotomy, this same osteotomy and same just like external you do the vertical perforation. But the line that is the just the junction
হ্যাঁ নিশাদ
between the mid part of the dorsum superior
Hello?
and the inferior just give. I show you first. And give me the 15 number plate and
Hello?
give.
এই ওয়ার্ডের কি অবস্থা তুমি এখন পোস্ট অফে কি করো এখনো যাও নাই না না কিন্তু ওয়ার্ডে যাইতে হবে না ওয়ার্ডে ওই যে সৃষ্টি থাকরোমা একটু খারাপ রোগী আছে তারপর একটা লার্ডউইকের ইনভেস্টিগেশন করতে দেওয়া হয়েছিল ওইগুলা কি রিপোর্ট আসছে একটু যাওয়া হবে একটু না কিছু খারাপ রোগী আছে তো কোনো কিছু হলো কিনা বিশেষ করে বাচ্চা সৃষ্টি থাকরোমা আর হচ্ছে ওই লার্ডউইকের একটা হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা জানাও গ্রুপে দরকার হয় লিখে দিও ওই আমাদের সবাই সুবিধাবাদ এত করে বললাম দেখেন তো কেউ যায় না এটা কোয়াড্রিল্যাটারাল কার্টিলেজ টিপ কি টিপ
after the osteotomy, you just put this cold saline just for getting a hemostasis. 10 minutes is enough. 10 minutes is enough. Fifteen number plate.
কার্টিলেজ কাটাটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট দেখেন। যে কোনো প্রিসাইজ কাটের জন্য 15 নম্বর খুবই ভালো। আর স্কিন যখন আমরা ইয়া করি তখন আমরা
Next plan we carving this according to our need.
একটু মাথায় তো
So we have this one.
টিপটা
Because wherever you use any graft, the thickness should be similar because this is the thick, okay? And these small pieces are useful in the last, just hemoblast, any irregularities you can use as a guide cartridge. Meanwhile, the breathing also stops.